The first job that we did this season was for the University of Toronto. They required us to come in and do some emergency patchwork for them. They had this one area where the asphalt was really broken up and there were some craters that needed to be repaired. They knew that the area was in need of a full repave, but this year they just wanted to make sure that the site remained safe and to take care of where the potholes were, because they were causing problems for delivery trucks and people walking on campus. So they wanted to make sure that it remained safe. For this project, we used our Marathon hotbox. We have the Marathon 2-ton hotbox, perfect size unit for a project like this. For this particular project, we arrived and obviously it was pretty obvious where the repairs needed to be done. It was obviously very broken. Potholes were pretty deep. We went and we made our markings where we needed to cut. Made our cuts in the asphalt, we removed it, and once all the asphalt was removed, it's pretty straightforward with the Marathon hotbox. The asphalt goes in, it stays hot. The propane burner system is really awesome. Keeps it at your desired temperature. Open the hatch at the back and remove the asphalt. Put it into the cutout area that we cut out where the asphalt's needed to go, and we rough rake it, then lute for perfect level, and then we do the compaction to make sure that the asphalt is a longer lasting patch. The Marathon built unit is the perfect size hotbox for us. It makes everything super easy for us to come in, whether we're doing sites where you just need to put down asphalt into the potholes and they're just looking for a quick fix to hold throughout the year, or like in this case, we needed to make cuts and put it in. The 2-ton hotbox by Marathon really allows us to carry out our job effectively. We have a couple of 2-ton hotboxes and they've been perfect for us. And as you can see, like this project, it went very smoothly, and the Marathon hotbox allowed us to finish this job effectively. And they're always happy with the work that we do. The Marathon built all their equipment is built really well, and we've been really satisfied with the 2-ton hotbox for our asphalt repair projects.